Hi everyone, welcome to our ESC. Today we are discussing about the how to calculate the bond order of the biatomic molecules with two simple tricks. Now let's watch. So bond order topic is the most important topic in all entrance examination, especially IIT, NEET and mains examinations also. Right, now going to explain the bond order in biatomic molecules. We are using two simple tricks to calculate that bond order. First trick is bond order is equal to number of p orbital electrons, maximum only 6 because in p orbital only 6 number of electrons are present, minus remaining electrons by 2. This is the first trick. Then going to another one trick is bond order is equal to 3 minus mod of n by 2 minus 7. This is the another one simple trick. So now going to explain this one, right? First example, oxygen. How many number of oxygens are here? 2 oxygens. Write that electronic configuration of the oxygen. 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Here also 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. See that equation. We need only number of p orbital electrons. Only consider only number of p orbital electrons. Maximum 6. But here 4 plus 4. How many number of electrons are here? 8 electrons. But we are consider first one maximum 6 minus remaining number of electrons. So how to write that 8? Bond order is equal to 8 means 6 minus 2 because remaining electrons only 2 by 2. So what is that? 4 by 2, 2. The bond order of the oxygen is 2. So see here 8 means not 6 plus 2. It is a 6 minus 2. That is easily identify the bond order. Then go to another one formula. Oxygen. Here N means total number of electrons in biatomic molecule. Total number of electrons in biatomic molecule, right? Oxygen. One oxygen, 8 electrons are present. One oxygen means 8 electrons are present. Here 2 oxygens are here. That's why 8 plus 8 total 16. Just substitute this 16 in the equation. Bond order is equal to 3 minus mod of 16 by 2 minus 7. Let calculate 3 minus 8 minus 7. 3 minus mod of 1. 3 minus mod of 1 is also equal to 2. So this is also one of the easily calculate the bond order of the oxygen. This is also one of the simple trick and this is also one of the simple trick. Here we need only number of p orbital electrons. Here we need total number of electron. So this is the equation to calculate the bond order. Now let's watch another one example. Now going to explain another one example. Example number 2, nitrogen. So nitrogen, write that how many number of nitrogens are here? 2 nitrogen. Electronic configurations are 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Here also same 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. So we need only number of p orbital electrons. 3 here and 3 there. 3 plus 3, 6 number of electrons. Just substitute the bond order equation. Bond order is equal to 6 minus 0 because there are no remaining number of electrons, means 6 by 2 is also equal to 3. The bond order is the nitrogen 3. Going to another one example, another one method. Nitrogen 7 plus 7, 14, n is equal to 14. That's why bond order is equal to 3 minus mod of 14 by 2 minus 7. 3 minus mod of 7 by 7, 3 minus mod of 0 is also called as a 3. So there is a easily way to explain the nitrogen. Then we have to another one example, right? Fluorine. Fluorine means atomic number of the fluorine 9, 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. Another fluorine is also same electronic configuration, that's why 5 plus 5, the number of electrons are 10. How to write that 10 in that equation? So 10 bond order equation, 6 minus 4, not 6 plus 4, 6 minus 4 by 2 is also called as a 2 by 2. And the bond order of the fluorine is equal to 1. Into another one trick. What is that? N is equal to, in fluorine, N is equal to total 9. The atomic number of the fluorine is 9. That's why 9 plus 9 equal to 8. Substitute that N value in that equation. Bond order is equal to 3 minus mod of 18 by 2 minus 7. Okay, 3 minus mod of 9 minus 7. 3 minus mod of 2. That's why it is also equal to 1. So that is the bond order of the fluorine. So then going to another one example. N2 plus. Plus means removing of one electron from the molecule. How many nitrogens? 2 nitrogens are here. Nitrogen, nitrogen. The electronic configuration of the nitrogen 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Another one also same. That is also 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. So we need only number of p orbital electrons. How many number of p orbital electrons? 3 plus 3. Plus means we can remove one electron, minus 1. 3 plus 3, 6 minus 1 is also called as a 5. How to write the 5 bond order? Bond order of the nitrogen plus. This is 5 by 2 is also called as a 2.5. That is the bond order of the N2 plus. Then going to another one shortcut method. N2 plus. N means total number of electrons in biatomic molecule. Nitrogen atomic number 7 plus another nitrogen atomic number also 7. Plus means minus 1. It is a 7 plus 7, 14 minus 1, 13. 13 substituted in that equation. Bond order is equal to 3 minus mod of 13 by 2 minus 7. 3 minus 13 by 2 means 6.5 minus 7. Okay. Here 3 minus minus 0.5. Mod minus is also called as a positive charge. That's why 3 minus 0.5 is also called as a 2.5. Same 2.5 here, 2.5 here also. Then go to another one example. O2 plus 2. O2 plus 2 plus 2 means it will be losing of 2 number of electrons. Right, that oxygen, 2 oxygens, right, the 2 oxygen electronic configuration, right, 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Here also 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. We need only p orbital electrons. 4 plus 4 plus 2 means we can remove 2 number of electrons. 4 plus 4, 8 minus 2 is the 6. So bond order of the 6 is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3. Bond order of the oxygen is 3. Then go to bond order of the O2 plus 2. So total oxygen atomic number 8, another oxygen atomic number 8 plus 2 means removing of 2 electrons. 8 plus 8, 16 minus 2, 14. N is equal to 14. Just substitute that equation. Bond order is equal to 3 minus 14 by 2 minus 7. 3 minus mod of 7 by 7 minus 7. 3 minus 0 is also called as a the bond order of the O2 plus 2 is also 0. Then go to another one example. So then go to F2 minus. Minus means it will be accepting of one electron. F, 2 fluorines are here. 2 fluorines means 9, 9. 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. Here also 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. We need only p orbital electrons. 5 plus 5. Minus means more 1 electron. Plus 1 electron. That's why it is a 11. How to write that? 11. Bond order of the 11 number of electrons. 11. How to write the 11? 6 minus 5 by 2. Not 6 plus 5. 6 minus 5. These are 1 by 2. This is also called as a 0.5 bond order. Then go to another one method. F2 minus. Total number of electrons 9 plus 9. Minus means plus 1. Okay, 9 plus 9 means 18 plus 1, 19. This is the n value. Just substitute in that equation. Bond order is equal to 3 minus mod of 19 by 2 minus 7. So 3 minus 19 by 2 means it is a 9.5 minus 7. Okay, so 3 minus 9.5 minus 7, it is a 2.5. It is a 3 minus 2.5. It is also called as a 0.5. So same thing to identify that equation. Then go to another one example. O2 minus. Oxygen, atomic number 8, atomic number 8. Okay, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Here also 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. We need only p orbital electrons. 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4. Minus mean it will be accepting of 1 electron plus 1. 4 plus 4 plus 1, it is also 9. How to write the 9 bond order? Bond order is equal to 9 means how to write that 9? 6 minus 3 by 2. Not 6 plus 3, 6 minus 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is also called as a 1.5. So now going to another trick to explain the bond order. O2 minus. So one oxygen 8 atomic number, another one oxygen 8 atomic number, minus 1 please, plus 1. 8 plus 8 is 16 plus 1, 17. Write that 17, substitute in this equation. Bond order is equal to 3 minus mod of 17 by 2 minus 7. Okay, 3 minus mod of 17 means 8.5 minus 7. Okay, 3 minus 8.5 means 1.5. It is also called as a 1.5. So this is an easily way to calculate the bond order of all the biatomic molecules. It is the most useful in all the entrance examination within the second. So this is a simple tricks to calculate the bond order. So thank you for watching this video. So please subscribe my channel for more videos.